Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you such a easy and simple DIY. This is a table that I've made a while ago. It's the side table, but what I'm showing you today, I can put the link for that side table by the way down in the description. What I'm showing you today is this little wall decor back there with the succulents. This was so easy to make, you guys. You literally just need 2 or 3 items, but you can definitely go ahead and beach theme it if you'd like, but I'm just going for a simple look. But if you are going to beach theme it, then grab those seashells and go ahead and add beach item to this. First, I'm going to go in with this bamboo cutting board, and I'm going to take the plastic off of it, of course, and I'm also going to take the little planter that you guys saw on in the beginning of the video. And I believe that planter comes in 2 colors. I believe it comes in black and the white one. I have the white one here. I am not going to leave it white. I'm going to go in with this vinyl that I picked up from Dollar Tree as well. It's like a very light pink or like rose gold color. The camera's picking it up like a different color, but as if it's like darker, but it's actually a little bit lighter. But it looks really nice, you guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a few strips and I'm going to decorate my planter with it. This summer, I don't know why, but I've been in love with like beach themed items. Plus I've been like in love with what is it called? The cactuses and what are these called? The succulents. There you go. So I've been in love with that look. So I've been doing a lot of DIYs, and actually my next DIY is going to be a cactus. So before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and click that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now be sure to subscribe and click that bell so you're notified when I upload my next video. So of course this step is optional. You can always spray paint the planter if you'd like, but I'm going to just go in with this vinyl, and I'm just cutting small strips, and I'm just going to make any design. I really didn't think of this. I just went in and did it. So you can do the same thing. You can grab some vinyl and just go in and decorate it, or you can go ahead and spray paint it, or just leave it the way it is and maybe add a seashell in front of it. Now that I'm done with the planter, it's time to go back to that cutting board. Remember, you can decorate this any way you'd like. Here I'm showing you how it would look with some beads. Maybe you just want to go around with the cutting board with some beads. But I'm going to just leave it simple, like I said, and now it's time to put it all together. So I'm going to go in with this hook. I just got this from a Dollar Tree frame that I used to have. I actually used to save them, so I have quite a few of those. But if you don't have those, I think they sell like a big pack on Amazon for a few dollars. But you could always find them in the back of the frame. Now I'm going to go in with hot glue, and I'm going to glue the planter onto the cutting board. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to add a tiny little piece of floral foam in the planter itself, and here is my succulent, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You can switch it off and maybe add flowers in there instead if you'd like. Maybe it's depending on the season. You can add some bees in there if you'd like, rope, seashells, and beach theme it. And there's also that chain. Do you guys remember the chain that I used on my side table at the beginning of the video? That was only like 97 cents a foot, I believe, at Home Depot. So yeah, you can pick up one of those and go ahead and glue it around the cutting board, or you can just use it to actually hang it, or you can use rope if you're going to beach theme this and hang it with rope. But as for me, I'm going to remove all that. Remember, I'm just going for a simple look because I have a lot on that coffee table that I have. But just take the idea, make it your own, make it fit your style this summer, and I am definitely pleased with the way it turned out. I might add something small on top of it up there. I'm still kind of deciding on that, but I definitely love how simple this is, and it kind of goes with the look I'm going for. But I really can't wait to see the cactus that I'm going to make, so be sure to stay tuned for that. And be sure to click that bell so you're notified when I upload that video. As always, I'd love to hear from you, so be sure to stop by the comments section and let me know what you think. Would you add more things? Would you beach theme it? What would you change about it? I want to hear from you, so be sure to stop by the comment section and let me know. And if you liked this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. And be sure to share with your friends. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!